2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.